With the stock market setting new records, millions of Americans who use 401k accounts to save for retirement are celebrating their high returns. But those celebrations may end soon, as a new GOP tax plan currently being devised could significantly reduce the tax benefit people enjoy for 401k contributions.
Without this incentive, probably it would be difficult to get people to save the amount of money that they need to save.
According to a report in the Wall Street Journal, the proposal being considered would reduce the amount a worker could contribute tax-free to just $2,400 a year. Today, workers like Eric Rosen can put up to $18,000 aside each year with no tax. The generous tax treatment has allowed him to stash more money up front with the hopes of taking it out later in retirement when he's in a lower tax bracket.
If these changes do go into effect, I do think it will impact the amount of money that I'm able to save for retirement each year.
So why would Congress change the tax treatment for the popular retirement plan? The change could increase tax revenue by more than $115 billion a year, which would offset income and corporate tax cuts the Trump administration and Republican Congress say they want to pass by year's end.
A lot of people are really trying to play catch up, and it's just going to kick them with a bigger tax bill. For the average person that's saving $18,000, that's going to mean something like $8,000, $9,000, or $10,000 more in taxes they owe. And the bottom line, that just means they're going to save less.
Stephanie, does this thing have a chance at actually becoming law?
Well, this is what it shows you. It shows you tax reform is massively difficult. We know the Trump administration and Republicans want to have a massive tax cut. You got to pay for it somewhere. And if you cut, somebody is going to squeal on the other side, no matter what you do, because we have a complicated system. Now, in this case, it's going to be people like you and me who love putting money into our 401ks. That tax advantage is a huge positive. But the question is there negotiating room?
And how's that process go?
Listen, they're starting off by saying you're going to go from $18,000 you can contribute to only $2,400, but that could only be the first step to this dance. Democrats could show up to the party and say, let's meet in the middle. Of course, at a first blush, people don't like this, but at the end of the day, if you want to get tax reform done, there has to be some give and take here, Jose. That's a given.
Stephanie Ruhle, it's good seeing you. Thanks so much.